Everybody's looking for welders. To be competitive to get in the door, you probably need some sort of degree or some sort of training just to walk in.
Iowa Western Community College offers a Welding Certificate program that prepares students to enter the workforce as beginning production, maintenance, or job shop welders. Courses are available in beginner and intermediate welding. No experience is needed to get started, and you don't even need to apply to college to begin taking college credit courses in welding. Choose between individual courses or complete the whole Construction Technology Certificate. Courses offered include arc welding, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, introduction to welding safety, oxyacetylene arc welding, blueprint reading for welding. Eligible intermediate welders may qualify for financial assistance including training tuition, textbooks, tools, certification fees, required materials, and other services. Iowa Western has been a pioneer in apprenticeships that help students gain on-the-job training that also pays.
And it's a win-win when a company sponsors you and you work all day and they pay for you to go to school all night.
Iowa Western customizes classes for companies too, so their employees gain the specific training needed. What's the right path for you? Our instructors are there to guide students in making the decision.
First, I tell them to take a basic class and see how they do. And if they show talent, then we can train them in the basics and then point them on to some sort of career.
Start your career today at iwcc.edu.